Hello, my name is Sanjana. I am currently pursuing my final year BE in Computer Science Engineering with a specialization of the Artificial Intelligence and Machine Learning at Sri Krishna College of Technology. Along with my college studies, I completed for AML from GUVI. It was an industry-oriented training program that helped me learning practical skills like artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science through real-time projects and hands-on experience. This course helped me understand how AI is used in real-world applications, not just as a theory. Before joining GUVI, I was mainly focusing on my college studies and learning topics from only the syllabus. But I felt GUVI classroom about theory, but also enough to gain industry knowledge. I was motivated because, as you know, IT is changing very fast, especially in the field of artificial intelligence and data science. Just knowing the theory is not enough nowadays. Companies expecting practical knowledge and problem-solving skills. So I wanted to improve my technical confidence by working on real-time projects. To become ready for the job and also stand out from the other students. So I decided this was the right time to upskill myself and prepare better for my future career. So I decided to join. There are many platforms available today, but I chose GUVI mainly because it focuses on a lot of practical learnings and real world skills, not just theory. There will be only limited students selected, which made learning more serious and personalized. The mentors guided us properly and cleared the doubts regularly, which really helped me improve step by step. GUVI also offered live mentor support, hands-on projects, guidance for assessment and hands-on practices and interviews. Many platforms provide only recorded videos, but GUVI provides interactive sessions which helps me understand topics deeply instead of just memorizing them. GUVI provides a clear path from basics to advanced topics. As a student of AIML, I needed a structured way to learn, not just random tutorials. So GUVI gave me the structure and discipline. Earlier, just seeing big code feels very scary to me. Now I feel confident breaking the problems into small steps and solving them. Earlier, I used to feel nervous because I only knew theory and struggled to explain my practical knowledge. Now I can explain my project clearly. My advice would be if you want really practical knowledge about the domain, project experience, or mentorship, or career guidance, seriously, if you want to build a tech career, please join GUVI. GUVI would be very helpful for you. Don't join if you expect shortcuts, if you don't want to practice or only for certification.